Okay, so we decided Saturday morning that we would take a trip and go to Pepper Place Farmers Market. Mark had heard about it, and he decided he wanted to research and see what they had to offer. And if nothing else, it would be a little bit of a day out, a little bit of time away from working. So got up early, and I think the farmers market was open between 7:30 and noon, so you had to get out fairly early. I think that we made it there approximately an hour after it opened, and it was still cold. Yeah, it's fall weather for sure, but we found that the market was definitely interesting, so it was definitely worth a visit.
If I open the gates, running the line, you're gonna get all of me or not at all. You're gonna get all of me or not at all. If I'm walking away, letting you go, I'm gonna get all of you or not at all. I wanna get all of you or not at all. Feel it on the first night, gotta feel it on the first way. And don't it feel okay? I get it better, it gets better every day. Didn't think it was a good look. Get you worried how it could look. And don't it feel okay? I get it better, it gets better every day. Think it was the first day, now it ain't the worst way. Babe, don't it feel alright? I get it better, it gets better every day. Didn't think it was a good look. Get you worried how it could look. And don't it feel okay? I get it better, it gets better every day. From the sidelines, it's a beautiful match, but it wasn't my play. But recently I've had a change of heart, and I regret holding myself back from this part. I wanna be easy to love. I wanna love easily. I wanna be easy to love. I wanna love easily. Now I'm reflecting on the wasted time. I apologize to those that I call mine. It's too late. I'm ready to surrender myself to exhilarated splendor. I was mistaken, reducing love to infatuation. But recently I had a change of heart. be